In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add more shortcuts on Google Chrome in 2025. If you want quicker access to your favorite websites from the Chrome Start page, adding shortcuts is one of the easiest ways to do it. This is useful for websites you open often, such as email, video platforms, work tools, or learning sites. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you are on the main New tab page, since that is where Chrome usually shows your shortcuts. If Chrome opens to a different page, just open a new tab so you can see the shortcuts area clearly. On that page, look for the option that says Add Shortcut. It is usually located below the search bar or alongside your existing shortcut tiles. Click on Add Shortcut to begin. When you do this, Chrome will open a small pop-up window where you can enter the website details. In most cases, you will need to type the name you want displayed for the shortcut and then paste or enter the web address for the site you want to save. Choose a short, clear name so it is easy to recognize later. After entering the information, confirm your choice by clicking the Add button in the pop-up. Chrome will then place the new shortcut on your New tab page. You can use it anytime to open that website with a single click. If you are adding several shortcuts, it helps to keep them organized by choosing names that are easy to scan. This makes your Chrome homepage cleaner and easier to use. You can also review the shortcut after adding it to make sure the website opens correctly. If it does not, you may need to edit it later and fix the address. One important thing to keep in mind is that Chrome may limit how many shortcuts appear directly on the page, depending on your layout or settings. Even so, using the Add Shortcut option is still the first step for building a more personalized browsing setup. So to recap, open Google Chrome, go to the New tab page, click Add Shortcut, enter the website name and address, and save it. That is the basic process for adding more shortcuts in Google Chrome in 2025. That covers everything you need to know.